So one of the things that you may want to do while making out presentation is add in different icons to communicate your ideas visually. So over here, you can see that this is an AI generated slide and I have these contents, but there is no visual representation of this whatsoever. So let's say I want to add in an icon to represent whatever is being said in the slide. So to do that, over here on the top, you can see that insert icon is an option, and there are different icon options that you can actually go ahead and add in. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in, let's say, something like, you can see that there's a micro learning and so forth. So it's something related to learning, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and use this this symbol right here, this graphics. So I'm just going to go around over here. There's the education hat graphics that I can go ahead and add in now. Now I can also go ahead and select the color of this particular graphics. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and choose the color as you wish. You can even go ahead and choose a border color, as you can see right here, just like this. And then even change out the hierarchy, that is, place it wherever you want right here. And this is how you can go ahead and then insert out icons in slide as you want in Terabox slide editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.